let's see. I just brought the vending machine DLC. I've been sort of very curious to see how this goes. I've seen videos on how it works, so I do have one product that I can put into it, like the water. So yeah, because when I bought it, I was kind of wondering if it was either downloaded or not. So I'll check it out now. Yeah, it shows it on the computer screen here. But yeah, that's good. I wonder if there's gonna be any more, let alone the others that will show up eventually. But yeah, my main thing was to get rid of this. Interact, box up. Let's see, hold F to sell. Just do a bit of cleaning around. Enough. Go to the market. That uh, self checkout. I'll get um this one here. Let's check if I can do this. So it's $500, alright. Oh yeah, that would be right. I forgot. Alright. Sliced bread and pasta. and, and that one. 74. Now I can buy it. Open. Just I'll put it here. Yeah, once I reach a good enough amount of money, I'll look at buying the vending machine and I'll try all the products to see what happens. Because I'm assuming that, like, I've been watching other videos to see what other people have, like, put in them, but not really, many I've seen. So I'm gonna like test every product in this store to see what happens. As far as I know of, bottled water. I'm not sure if anything else in this store will go or should I say work with it. As I was buying the DLC, if I was going to buy the entire lot, it would cost around $33 something. And if I would have done that, I would have like think saved $20. But I was thinking to myself, I really do want to give credit to this game because this is sort of one of my favorite shopping simulators of all time because this is the most one I've ever dealt with. Oh, I can do that. That's good. I'm close to it. Yeah, this is the very first one I watched on YouTube, and I was kind of curious. And when I bought it, I kind of fell in love with this game because I've always wanted to play shops, which I did when I was like in my childhood stage, and since then, this game has really been a big thing for me. Like I do play other simulator type games like this. Better Mart. I've got Grocery Simulator. A hypermarket simulator. I've got. I think there's another couple, but I don't remember. But this one in particular, I've known for some time since I've ever played it. Because, yeah, I've never really gotten to the full advantage of this game before. Let's see. Well, I'm nearly at 1,000. Yeah, the biggest thing to when it comes to self-service machines, you can sort of yeah, get everything restocked really quickly. What have we got here? Who's that? 1,033. Yeah, that's not too bad. Need some help? Ran out of that very fast. $1,002. Yeah. At least I can kind of do two things at once. Mm. 600. Everything looks good, but yeah, I'll uh, go to the next day. At least that was sort of quickish. Salt and sliced bread. That's like 3, 55, and the salt is around 220. I'll get at least one or two of product. So I'll get one of those, one of those, at least two of those. I know they can go quick. One of those, I'll get two of those, one of them, one of them, two of those, one of them, two of those, two of these, one of them. I'll grab two of those for a reason. Two of those. Oh, yeah, I'll get two of those. Two of them. One of those and one of those. It's around 7:06. Got five. As 956. Not really good with numbers when it comes to saying, but what I'm gonna do is buy one of these because my curiosity is really getting to me. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. I am going to put it, yeah, at least around here. Well, try to. Okay. Seems to be happy around here. I'll do that. Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. It still keeps the price. That's like 10 so far. $15. That's not really what I was after, but I'll put it there anyway. Not what I'm after. I'm kind of curious on something. Sort of why I'm gonna like leave a couple of spaces. Okay, that's what I want. 16. And how many can you put in a single fridge? At least 8. Yeah. There's 14. And there should be another one here somewhere. There it is. what I find really funny, yeah, what I find really funny with this machine here is there's no glass that is like um seeable. It's like it's very clear. Well, no one's taken any yet, because I don't think I've opened up the store yet, so yeah, let's see what happens. Cause yeah. I have never really done this kind of thing before, as I have just purchased it not long ago. Cause yeah, they're just walking by at the moment. Anybody want some cold refreshments? Cause yeah, I been kind of curious, very curious on wanting to know. Do you collect money? Yeah, just curious if someone's gonna use it. They're just walking by at the moment. Probably walk away from it and someone will buy something. Oh, okay. No, not yet. Oh, let's see. I set waypoint, highlight a map. Okay, that's something I've never seen before. Amount total. Okay. I have no idea. I'm still learning. Yeah. Well, it's on the sale, so I don't know if it's actually hmm, I don't know if the sale button means actually selling the actual vending machine itself. Or I don't know if because there's no bottled water in the fridge means I have no idea. Well, all the cheese is gone. That's 9. Yeah, anybody want any bottled water? It's there for taking anyway. I could try something, just put one lot of bottled water in the fridge and see if I notice any difference. Let's see. Yeah, it's like only certain stuff you can only put in them. Yeah, vending machines have definitely come a long way after yeah, not many left anyway. I don't know. Yeah. I couldn't imagine eggs going in it. No. What about this? No. That's what I was thinking to myself when I was thinking small stuff. What about tea? No. What about this one? No, that's alright. Yeah, interesting. At the cart, that I don't know what that would do, but I think either one thing or another. Um, let's try something. I don't know if it's gonna work. Uh, yeah, it actually does show up on that. That's already done. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah. Now let's see if I get any customers for the vending machine. Oh, I've definitely got a little bit behind. My mouse keeps disappearing on me. That's a 34. 42. 5. That's a 37. And that's a 1. 92. Right. No, nothing yet. Try something. I don't know. That's not what I was after. Let alone that. Or that. What's under that one? But try this out. See what makes a difference. Oh, those are at 16 so far. That's at 6. Mm-mm. Yeah, because I don't know exactly how the vending machine works myself because I tried looking on YouTube for any like tutorials on how it works basically, and I've just found nothing. Just as I was looking on the computer, I couldn't really find anything that would show me anything. And as I'm just watching the people go by, I've seen the action of what they do, but I've never really seen on this game yet so far. That's why I'm sort of curious on if I'm doing something right. Because as far as I know of, when it comes to vending machines, obviously they need power to operate. And I was thinking to myself, well, majority of the shop would obviously be good when it comes to having less products in the shop and have them in the machine, but yeah, nothing's been taken there. I don't know if that would be actually selling the actual machine. Hmm. I was thinking about something else. Looks like no one's really interested in the water at the moment. We've got one there. I don't know if putting it into the different areas gonna help. But, oh well. I don't know, it feels more like an advertisement. Appet, I can't really say the word right. Appetizer. Oh, we got something by the looks of it. Um, yeah. We got that one. Well, I'm obviously doing something right. Five. Um, okay. I guess someone else must have brought something. Oh, we got another one. Looks of it. I guess have it far away from the store. Okay, so yeah, my main curiosity was to have a look at this. Kind of fill it up as just yeah, water bottle vending machine for the moment, and then I'll like look at different other products. I will accept it eventually. But yeah, at least I got two things that I wanted to get completed, which was the self-serve machine and have a look at that vending machine. That was interesting. But yeah, the next thing I want to do is to kind of expand the store a little bit more. Hmm. Yeah, so yeah, I'll stop here. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time.